Okay guys, for this lesson you will be using a website called Voki.com. So you can see that the address you need to type on your address bar is right here in the corner, Voki.com. So after you go to Voki.com, you have a few choices right here. The first thing you want to click on is where it says login. After you click on login, it's asking you for your information, username and password, but right now you don't really have one. So you click right here at the bottom where it says sign up here. Click over there. Make sure you fill in every single blank right here. After you are done filling in every single blank, click sign up. As you can see, after you fill in your information, you click sign up, you should be able to log in using your new username and password. So let's try that out. And there you go. After you use your new information, your new username and your new password, this is the welcome screen from Voki. As you can see, it says no data found because I have not created a single project just yet. So I'm going to click where it says create a Voki, and now you're given a few choices right here. The first choice you will have is the choice to select a character. Be careful selecting your characters because some assets are actually premium assets. The way you know an asset is premium is because you will get this little banner right here where it says only in, and then it will tell you what part of Voki it is. As a free user, you will not be able to use this asset, so be careful when you select one. So let's move on. Right here, this little guy allows you to choose a character. So let's click on this icon right here, and let's select a character one more time. If you see a little hat on the upper right corner, that means the asset is a premium asset. Make sure you do not select any of those because you won't be able to use them for your project. So for animation purposes and for testing purposes, I'm just going to select animate, and I will select this guy right here. Okay, after you select your character, you click done, and you have your choices. You can tweak the mouth, you can tweak the nose, the body, the height, and the width. Also, you can change the color. Since I just want to be quick with this, I'm just going to leave it the way it is, and I'm going to move on with the next step. The next step is to give it a voice. To give a voice to your character, you have a few choices. The only ones that are available for you, or the ones that you should be using for this assignment, is text-to-speech, which literally means every single word you type will be spoken as text. The other choice you have is record with your computer's microphone. So either one should work for this project. Stick to the one you want to use. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to select record with microphone. Click on it one time, and you might have a window here asking you for permission. If you get that window where it says allow, deny, and remember, make sure you select where it says allow. I didn't get the window because I already gave permission to this website to my computer a little while ago. But if you get the window, make sure you allow it to your microphone and click OK. After you click OK, it's time to start recording. So let's click record. You should see a message saying recording, and you should see a yellow bar moving. That means I'm already recording. Everything I'm saying right now is being recorded and will be used by my character. So I'm going to use this as my test. My test literally used a bunch of instructions, so it's going to be a little boring. Be creative, guys. You know better than this, okay? So I'm going to stop it. You should see a message saying recording, and you should see a yellow bar moving. That means I'm already recording. Everything I'm saying right now is being recorded and will be used by my... Okay, so as you can see, my recording is already there. So I'm going to click save. Give it a title. So I'm just going to call it recording. You can use any title you like. And then we click OK. Please wait, it's processing the audio so you can use it. Be patient. Okay. You should see a message saying... Oh, there you go. It's done. So now I'm just going to click done, and I am ready to publish. You have a few other choices too. You can change the background, which I'm not going to do it. Well, let me just pick something. I'm just going to pick this over here. Click done. And now it's time to publish. So I'm just going to click publish. Give it a title, and I'm just going to call this project test because it's literally a test. Save it, and it's processing one more time. Wait for it, and now here, this is your final project. After you get to this page, remember you can see the preview. If you click play, you should see a message saying recording, and you can see my character is actually moving the lips using my recording. So be creative. One more time, right here you have a few choices. You can share using Facebook, Twitter, Google+. Select the one you want to use. This time I possibly recommend you to use your Google account. So let's try to share using Google or any other of the ones over here. So I'm going to click on Google+, and it's failing. Well, literally your project is done. After you get to this part, select the choice that you want to use for sharing, and that will be basically your project being completed. Make sure you follow every single direction, guys. Have a good one.